It's about 4 weeks left until the Rock and Roll San Antonio Marathon.
And according to Running USA, more Americans over the past year are lacing up their shoes to take part in some kind of race. But are they training correctly?
Several KSAT employees, including our very own Erica Hernandez, are training for the upcoming marathon. She has more on how you can cross the finish line injury-free.
As it goes when training for any activity, there is always a chance for injury. Dr. Frank Garcia and physician assistant Luis Perez, also avid runners, went out with myself and 3 other KSAT employees to see if our running style was correct. Both would tell us about some of the fundamentals that would make our technique better.
Go to the basics, which is a relaxed upper half, lower half, strong thighs and core.
There's so many different factors to keep in mind when you're training for a race or a marathon, but one thing to always consider is the type of footwear that you use. Perez analyzed each of our shoes and quickly pointed out that our web editor Robert Taylor was running on a shoe that could potentially lead to injury.
You can see how he is falling and collapsing onto the inside, particularly more on the left and the right. And so when he runs with the technique that he has, he's actually collapsing even more so.
Besides shoes, you need to be training correctly. Doing too much too soon can also result in injury. And if you start noticing some discomfort or do get injured, there are other options to stay in shape.
If you start noticing a little tendonitis or something flaring up, it's time to stop, but you need your cardiovascular conditioning to continue. Bicycling, swimming, elliptical, and all kinds of things.
Making any major changes to your technique or footwear this close to the Rock and Roll Marathon may be too late, but Dr. Garcia emphasizes using common sense can lead to having a good race. Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.
Well, this weekend, KSAT along with our KSAT community partners are hosting the Corner Store Country Run, which takes place Saturday morning at Freeman Coliseum. If you'd like more information about it, just visit cornerstore.run.com.